Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to the Prestwick Prom Celebrations 2024. It gives me my great pleasure to welcome on stage to open it this year an internet sensation and also one of the biggest followers on YouTube as well. Please welcome Mr. William Hogg.
Hey!
Right there, folks. Thank you all for coming here today. It's great to see all the mercy the kids here with their mums and dads. Firstly, I thought again, I've got all wrote down what to say. What's it under the microphone? Come on, Malky. Malky's not doing it right again. Okay, folks. Firstly, I'll thank you. Get out of the road, because I've got a bit of paper here. I don't want to pull it out. Don't look correctly. Right, South Ayrshire Council, firstly, thank you. The New Life Church, the Regency Management, and there are one more, and I'll maybe get to them eventually with my bit of paper. But more importantly, I want you all to enjoy yourself today. Wait to get this right, because we don't want people saying I've done it wrong. More importantly, hospital radio too, right? So there are plenty of things for everybody here to do today, to enjoy, spend your money wisely, by the way, folks. Make sure you spend it on the kids and not yourselves, by the way, most importantly. And I'm going to be very brief, because this is a first for me. I don't want you all to say that I didn't do a good job when I think I'm doing a great job, right? So I'm going to introduce Scott and Debbie. And Fiona will go on later, but Scott and Debbie I've been told who I've to introduce, and they're going to get everything started there right away. Do you think that's okay, Malky? Malky! Come here, the boy, hurry up! Stop phoning in everything, it's me who's meant to be nervous. Is that everything okay now, Malky? That's Scott and Debbie introduced, and they're going to get things started with the music.
Yes. Okay, give Mr. William Hogg from WSH Fencing a big round of applause. If you see him about the roads, stop him and get some photographs from him, okay? Oh, by the way, sir, there's no photographs allowed for security, social security, because we sign on Monday. Okay, you can go now. Now, if anyone wants a photograph with Willie or some autographs, go and see Willie over there, okay? Thanks, William. There we go. Now, please welcome, to open the show as well, from